More than ever before, our planet relies on a steady supply of energy. From sustainable transportation means over our ever-growing data needs to modern automated factories, all these and many more applications require a reliable power supply. But our power grid? Well, that power grid is anything but modern. It dates back decades. It's vulnerable and unequipped to handle today's demands. Is that the energy source you want to depend on when uptime is crucial to your operation? No, it isn't. When the power grid fails you, don't send out an SOS. What you need is an SES, a smart energy solution. Okay, let's say this is you. And you're in business. You're in the ice cream business. Unpredictable power outages disrupt your production schedule and make your profits melt away. Or wait, maybe you're in pharmaceuticals and you're frustrated by power grid constraints. Your order book is filling up, but congestion of the high-voltage grid is holding you back. Whatever business you're in, managing your energy supply can be hard. But you're in luck. Because if this is you, then this is us. We are Specialty Rental, and we're here to help with smart energy solutions. How do we help? We start by listening. We analyze your energy needs and identify your challenges. Because when you can't rely on the grid, we always have an energy solution to help you out. Our hybrid power plants provide autonomy and give you insurance against mishaps when conventional energy sources cannot be relied on. As a bonus, these solutions also reduce your CO2 emissions. And that's not all. Our total solutions help you focus on your operations, whatever line of business you're in. How? By making your energy supply more sustainable, more stable, and more cost-effective. Specialty Rental audits your site and comes up with the solution with the lowest carbon footprint. We then take care of everything for you, from transport to commissioning. Then we monitor the solution around the clock and optimize its performance when your needs change. Smart, right? And when we see the results our solution brings to your business, we will be happy, because we're in this together. Flexible and smart energy solutions. Contact Atlas Copco Specialty Rental and prepare for the unexpected.